Chose artificial grass for the quality of look as well as the care. There is none in regards to taking care of artificial grass, so I could take my time and work on the other aspects of a garden which are more important to me. Chose Purchase Green because I initially looked at all the companies in the San Fernando Valley, outer Los Angeles area, and called and found people who were willing to give me all the details of the process of getting artificial grass, as well as having samples that you can go feel, touch, which was a very important aspect of it. I knew that they had good customer service, went into their office in San Dimas, and they showed me all the various types of grass, densities, anything you wanted to ask, you could ask. So that was a very important aspect of me making a decision to go with Purchase Green. The sales process was basically letting their product do the work. My choice was pretty simple. I wanted a top quality artificial grass that would work with the type of abuse it would go through in terms of the Southern California weather. Construction process was also a very easy one. They showed up on time, delivered all the items that was necessary for getting it installed correctly. The seams were correctly, the direction of the lawn was done correctly, and just as important, the cleanup was done professionally. So I was very happy with the entire process. Everything turned out just perfectly. My wife was happy, I'm happy. We were just really impressed by the entire process.